Shane. Push on me a little bit. Push me. Yeah. Most of the time, if we're not particularly there, pressure upsets us, it disturbs us, it knocks us off our balance. Usually after a few, we kind of start to get here and we'll fight the pressure. And that's probably okay, but he starts to see what you're doing and pulls on you, you're completely vulnerable in the opposite direction. So it's very strong in one direction, it's very weak in the other direction. He pushes, you get here for that, and then he pulls, and you're not here for that, okay? The other thing that will happen is we'll get a little bit of a this, and then when he pulls, we'll pull back, and we'll kind of counter it. That's not wrong. But after a while, you start to move, go ahead, more and more into the center of it, and actually not much changes here. Go ahead and push that again. Pull. Pretty much you're just here, and there's a different kind of presence and power that shows up in your being, okay? Grab a partner. Difficulty is that little bit here with a little practice, and you know, you've forgotten how much practice it took just to be able to stand up. So don't be surprised if this, you know, takes a little while, but after a little while you'll get better and better at it. And you can handle more and more pressure, and a bulldozer is still going to move you. There'll be limits to it. But it's just a basic feeling when your front and back are kind of basically equal. You're basically present in both directions, okay? Then when we go to do some movement or something like that, now if he pushes on me, I've lost it, all right? You're doing fine, and all of a sudden the market goes down, or your girlfriend says goodbye, or whatever it is, and somebody hits your car, and all of a sudden, all this beautiful Aiki is just gone. And that's natural. That's going to happen. I won't worry about it. But the question is, can you get back to something in the face of those? And when something great happens, can you not get so excited that you lose it? Can you have your excitement and still be present? Okay? So let's take it a notch further. And normally we would never stand and face pressure like this. We would always move and yield with it and move off the line, and those are fundamentals to our martial arts movements. And this is just a presence check, okay? So let's do one more notch before we go into motion. After I've done a little bit of this, let's do the same thing on the head, maybe on the chest, maybe on the shoulders. And I'm working on his strong stance. I'm not pushing him this way. Different story. This is, again, we're not trying to get win or lose here. We're trying to get present here. And I like to do the knee and the back of the knee and help your partner. Let's go one more minute, please.